Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to permanently delete TikTok account. Before starting today's tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Now, to permanently delete the TikTok account, first of all, tap open TikTok app on your phone. Now, on the bottom right corner, you can see a small icon with your profile. Tap on the icon. Now, again, on the top right corner, you can see three horizontal lines. Tap on the line. Now, to permanently delete your account, tap on Settings and Privacy options. Now, on the top, you can see an option for Manage Account. So, tap on the option. Here at the bottom, you can see an option to delete your account. So, tap on Delete Account. Now, select the region where you are leaving TikTok. Select any one of those regions and tap on Continue. If you want to download your TikTok data, tap on Request Download and check the option and tap on Continue. Now reconfirm if you want to delete this account so that your account will be deactivated for 30 days and after that it will be permanently deleted. Tap on Continue. Here enter your password and tap on Delete Account option. Now confirm if you are sure you want to delete your account. Tap on Delete. Your account has been successfully deleted. I hope this video helped you learn how to delete your TikTok account. Do like and leave a comment in the comment box.